You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more names of animals and also names from Greek mythology. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Yes, it's a character, the king of Arcadia in Greek mythology, and it's an animal name. In Greek it's said as Lykaon, Lykaon. Now in English it's normally said as Lykaon, Lykaon. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.